ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂਗੀ ਨਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂਗੀ ਨਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਜੀ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਜਾਣੇਗਾ।
Hey everybody, my name is Himadri and today I am going to do a makeup tutorial on this look. So this is like a very good traditional Indian inspired makeup tutorial. It's very simple yet very elegant and this look is very easy to achieve, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I have washed my face and I'm going to start off by applying moisturizer, and for moisturizer today I am going to use the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a water based moisturizer and it's perfect for the summer season. This moisturizer gets absorbed into the skin immediately, plus it does not feel greasy, oily, and it hydrates at the same time. That is why I love this moisturizer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Next, for the primer, I am going to use the Benefit Porefessional. I am basically going to concentrate this product on my T-zone, so that would be on my forehead, around my nose, and also on my chin. For the foundation today, I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Polish in the shade 322. It is an amazing foundation and it's very affordable as well. And to apply this foundation, I am going to use the 3 Faced Precision Sponge from Glamaroma Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck as well. So now that everything is blended, I am going to use my concealer. The one that I'll be using today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C12. And I am going to use this product under my eyes and also on the areas where I have blemishes. And I'm going to blend this out using the same sponge. Now to set my face, I am going to use the Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Powder, and I am going to use the Real Techniques Contour Brush. So now for the brows, I am going to use the Gerard Cosmetics Brow Bow to Go. With that, I am going to use the DUPATTA Brow Brush. Now to add some color back to my face, I am going to use the balm Bahama. So I am basically going to apply it on the parameters of my face. That will be around my cheekbones, around my forehead, and also on my jawline. To make this look more natural and blended to the skin, I am going to take my blender again and I'm just going to go over my bronzer. Now I am going to set my face using the Pixie Vitamin Wake Up Mist. Using the same blender, I'm just going to press that in. For the eyeshadow today, I am going to use the Tartlette in Bloom palette, and I am going to start off by taking the shade Smarty Pants, and I am going to apply this on my crease. I'm now dipping into the shade Rebel, and I'm going to apply this ever so slightly on the outer edge of my eyes. Now taking the shade Firecracker, I am going to apply this all over my lids. Now to add a little pop to the eyes, I am going to take the shade Funny Girl and I am going to apply this over the previous shade that we applied. Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner. Now taking the same shade Funny Girl, I am going to apply this on my brow bone. For the highlighter, I am going to use the Kiko Wet and Dry eyeshadow in the shade 208. So now I am going to curl my lashes and apply my all-time favorite mascara, and it's the Maybelline Lash Sensational. For the lashes today, I am going to use the Winsome Story lashes in the style OOMPH. And for the lash glue, I am going to use the PAC Cosmetics lash glue, and I am going to apply my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. So now that my lashes are on, I am going to wear my bindi and also apply my lip color. So first of all, I'm just going to apply my bindi. And for the lip color today, I am going to use the Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Red 1. Isn't this shade really gorgeous? I'm just going to wear my earrings and dupatta, and we're almost done. So this is the final look, you guys. I'm really living for this look right now, and to be honest, I am definitely going to wear this out. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think of this look, because I am loving this look. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Thank you all for tuning in today. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Mwah.